If you're encountering a data access denied error in Flatiron Health 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your data. Step 1. Check user permissions. Ensure that your user account has the necessary permissions to access the data. Contact your administrator to verify your access rights and request any required changes. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SSRook to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update software. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your browser and any relevant software. Outdated versions may lead to compatibility issues. Update your software and attempt to access the data again. Step 4. Verify network connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can lead to access issues. Check your network connection and ensure it is stable. If necessary, switch to a different network or restart your router. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Flatiron Health customer support. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the data access denied error and regain access to your data. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.